Friends, welcome in our own teacher channel. Class 9th English 1.1 Walk a little slower. Question 1. Read the poem aloud. Walk a little slower, Daddy said, a little child so small. Walk a little slower, Daddy said, a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps, and I don't want to fall, and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. Sometimes your steps are very fast, sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me, who will want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you, for I must follow you. कवितेचा अर्थ जाणून घेण्यापूर्वी, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe to get notification of new video, and don't forget to comment. Your comment is my inspiration. Walk a little slower. लहान मुलगा आपल्या वडिलांना हळू चालण्याची विनवणी करत आहे, कारण त्याला आपल्या वडिलांची प्रत्येक कृती समजून घ्यायची आहे. मुलगा म्हणतो की तो वडिलांच्या पावलावर पाऊल टाकून चालत आहे. त्याला वडिलाप्रमाणे जीवन जगायचे आहे. मुलाला खाली पडायचे नाही, म्हणजेच जीवनात अपयशी व्हायचे नाही, म्हणून तो वडिलांना हळू चालण्याची विनवणी करत आहे. मुलगा आपल्या वडिलांना म्हणतो की काही वेळा तुमची पावले जलद आहेत, तर काही वेळा पाहण्यासाठी अवघड, म्हणजेच वडिलांची काही वेळा कृती समजण्यासाठी अवघड आहे. तेव्हा त्याला समजेल अशी कृती करा. वडील मुलाच्या जीवनात आदर्श असतात, म्हणून तो वडिलांच्या पावलावर चालतो. मुलगा म्हणतो, ज्या वेळेस मी मोठा होईल तेव्हा अगदी माझ्या वडिलासारखा होईल. माझा मुलगा माझ्या पावलावर चालेल. मला जसे वडील मार्गदर्शन करतात तसे मी माझ्या मुलाला करीन. खऱ्या मार्गावर चालणे त्यासाठी आवश्यक आहे. वडिलांची कृती मुलाने चांगल्या प्रकारे समजून घेणे आवश्यक आहे. म्हणूनच मुलगा आपल्या वडिलांना हळू चालवण्याची विनवणी करत आहे. Question 2. Put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. A. The child is talking to its father. B. The father is leading and the child is following. C. Someday the child will become a father. D. The child does not wish to fall while following its father. Question 3. Find and write pairs of rhyming words from the poem. 1. Small fall. 2. See me. 3. Be me. 4. True you. Question 3. The meaning of the words in the following pairs show that they are related. Daddy or father with child. Follow with lead. Find 5 more pairs of related words. Teacher, student. Doctor, patient. Give, take. Mother, child. Conductor, passenger. Owner, servant. Ideal, patience. Pen, notebook. Question 4. The child in the poem requests his father to walk slower. Here the poet implies that the child wants to understand his father's action better. The child would like to act the same way, but wants the father to be more understanding towards the child's need. What is implied in the following lines? A. Sometimes your steps are fast. Sometimes the father's actions are too quick for the child to follow them properly. B. Sometimes your steps are hard to see. Sometimes the action of the father are so difficult to understand the child. C. I would want to lead just right. The child who is grown up now wants to guide his child correctly. D. I know that I was true. The grown up child is confident about his opinion and actions in his life. Question 5. Using your own ideas, frame 3 sentences that show continuous action. 1. I am following my father. 2. Students are observing experiment. 3. Mother is telling story. Question 6. Using your own ideas, frame at least 3 sentences that show future action or state. Example: who will want to follow me? 2. When I am all grown up. 1. Who will join this webinar? 2. When I am in standard 6. 3. Who will come with me? Question 7. Discuss the following and write the summary of your discussion in the form of bullet points. A. How are certain ideas or customs or knowledge passed on from one generation to the next? B. It is necessary for children to follow the footsteps of their forefathers. If yes, why? Why it is sometimes necessary to change the old ways? A. Preserved by forefather and passed on to the new generation. Continued to exist. Mythological literature, fable and art. Celebration of festival and religious ceremonies. B. It is necessary to follow the footsteps of our forefathers. its importance in life and moral value. Necessary to change the old ways because they are based on superstitions. Accept good modern ideas. Question 8. Do you have a role model? What qualities do you appreciate in your role model? My role model is PV Sindhu. Is an Indian professional badminton player and the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. PV Sindhu put India on the global badminton map. I appreciate some qualities of PV Sindhu. Give your best. She may not have won a gold that day, but she won the hearts of many Indians. 2. Break negative pattern. She put the past behind her. Work harder on her strengths. 3. Improve performance. 4. Be consistent. 5. Keep forgiving ahead. Question 9. Think of an occasion when you did not like the decision or actions of your family members but realized later on that they were right. Write about it in 5 to 8 lines. Our class went for trip to Lonavala. Before going, my parents warned me not to venture near a river. At Lonavala, we saw a big river. I tried to enter the river, but suddenly I slipped and fell into the river. I was terrified and cried for help because I did not know swimming. One of our teachers jumped into the river. He brought me to the bank of a river. I lay unconscious. After some time, I felt better but could not enjoy the picnic anymore. I realized my parents was right. Question 10. Write as many phrases or sentences as you can using a little. A little while. I need a little more time. A little improved. Quite a little milk. A little smaller. A little old lady. A little confusion. Thanks for watching this video.